Ready, camera 1, take 1. Take camera 2. Camera 3, you're alive. Camera 3, can you give me a close-up shot?
Bring TV quality production to your conference room. Cascading mode on EagleEye Director 2 calls the shots for you, enabling two cameras to intelligently work together to find and frame each active speaker, regardless of where that person is, so nobody is ever left out. Whether in classrooms, training rooms or boardrooms, Cascading brings your video calls to life, wherever it's important to see both the presenter and the audience, always giving you the best possible view. Make your meetings smart with Cascading mode on EagleEye Director 2.
Take 1. Ready, camera 2.
Learn more about EagleEye Director 2 at polycom.com or schedule a live demo today.